Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, we're going to be dealing with file handling. So what comes under file handling? So mainly it comes like opening the file, writing or overwriting the file content and deleting the files. So the key function for working with files is the open function. The open function takes two parameters, the file name and the mode. There are four different methods or modes for doing the operations. A small letter r, which is read. So it's a default value, opens a file for reading, and it gives an error if the file does not exist. A is for append, opens a file for appending, creates the file if it does not exist. And W is for write, so it opens a file for writing, creates a file if it does not exist. Similarly, X is for create, it creates a specified file with your name or any name and then returns an error if the file exists. In addition, you can also specify if the file should be handled as binary or text mode. So T is for text, default value dot text mode, and then B is for binary mode, that is like example images. I'll be showing you the demo how do you do that. So to create a file, I'll just have to name my variable file underscore one equals and then open, and I'm going to be typing my file name to be uh, text one. Yeah, text1.txt, and then I'm going to be creating this, so it's going to be X. Now I'm going to uh, yeah, let me first create this. So as you can see, the file has been created as text1.txt. Let me type few things over here like hello, this file has been created using Python. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how do you read through the files. You have to specify R over here, and then you have to type print and your file name or the file variable what we have created, file underscore one dot read, and then run this. So as you can see, it says hello, this file has been created using Python. So this is how you read text to the file. So if your file is on some other path or any other location, not in the folder where you have created or stored your Python projects, you just have to type the location over here, your file's path. And now I'm going to be showing you how do you read only parts of the file. Let me add few more lines over here, like hello one, hello two, hello three, hello four. Okay. Now let us specify how many characters or how many letters do we want to read. So I'll read the first 15 letters, or yeah, for the first 15 letters of the text, whatever we have typed of that. So it comes till hello, this is, and then file. Let me add a few more characters like till 19. So hello, this is file. So this is how you read only the selected number of characters. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you read the line. So to read the full line, you just have to type read and then line and run this. So it reads the first line. If you want the second line, you just have to print this again, and for the third line again, just do it multiple times. So it gives you over here hello, this file has been created using Python, hello 1 and hello 2. So these are the first three lines. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you loop through the file. So for that, you just have to type for X and your file name or your the file object whatever we have created, and then print X. So what this is going to do is it's going to print all the lines of that file. This saves you like 3 or 4 lines of the code what we have discussed earlier. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you close files. It's always a good practice to close the files after printing it out or doing operations with it. So you just have to type your file object or the file variable, file underscore one, and then dot close. Yeah, so it closes it. it's a pretty good way if you're a professional Python coder and you want to keep your file safe without any alterations later on. So you might close it. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you delete a file. So to delete a file, you just have to import a module over here. Just have to import OS, and then you just have to type os.remove os.remove and then the file name. So it's text1.txt, and you have to run this. So yeah, it's deleted over here. So when you're going to print it again, like when you're going to print file underscore one dot read, so it's going to give you an error because file one has been deleted, so there's no text1.txt. So yeah, this is how you delete the files. Now the better way of how you delete the files is to check if the file exists and then delete it. So for that, you just have to type, you just need to add an if statement over here. So if os.path.exist, and then in the bracket the file name text1.txt, os.remove text1.txt, else print no such file exists. Yeah, so as you can see, no such file exists because there's no file, we have already deleted it. So now I'm going to be showing you how do you write into the files. So to write into the existing files or create a new file and write, you just have to type file underscore one equals open text1.txt, and then a for append, and then file underscore one dot write. In the brackets, type your content. Hello, I'm Abhay. Yeah. Now let me close the file. File1 dot close. Now to open and read the file after appending it, you just have to type your file variable, which is file underscore one for me, equals open, and then your file name text1.txt, and then read, which is R, and print file underscore one dot read. Okay, let's run this now. So as you can see, text one has been created. It says hello, I'm Abhay. So the read function works as well as the append function. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.